Hi guys, we're here back at it again.
We got Mario, this
And
guy,
Dragon Ball,
and then
the Bleach. Nabili namin sa Tokyo Central. Wafer siya sa loob, tas parang
can you see?
may makukuha ka yatang cards.
And let me check. Okay.
This one too.
Tokyo Central.
Central. So, open natin. You wanna start with that? So,
Can I
open it.
please?
Tandaan!
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung anong makukuha
What's up,
natin.
Anna?
Uy!
Oh, what?
Meron
It's a
siyang
cracker. It's a cracker.
mystery. Ito.
Wait, has it?
Wow! Hold this.
Mommy, can
It's
I
made-
try?
Yeah. Tapos meron siyang holographic card.
Oh, this is the one.
Yummy.
Good, huh?
Wow guys, look. May holographic nga siyang card sa loob. Ano ba to? Sino to? So, parang Goku 3. Goku 3 na chibi. Ganda.
Let's share this one and then I'm last.
Tapos masarap yung ano ah. It's yummy.
We're sharing.
Hmm.
Next one. Well, I want to see that.
It's holograph.
What else?
So, paano to guys? Binubuksan ba to? Sabihin nyo nga sa amin. Let's open this.
Let's go.
Let's open our Bleach. Let's see what we get. Dun. Okay, pintahan natin. Sino to?
Oh,
Uy.
it's a girl.
Who's this?
Can I have that?
It's Ishida Oryu.
She's a girl.
Not a girl, that's a boy. So, nakuha natin si Ishida Oryu.
Can you tell that?
Okay to ah.
Me last. Me turn. Let's open mine.
Oh, this one is ano, Michael? Strawberry.
What? What's that? Let's see. Mine.
What you got? Oh!
Hold it.
It's Toad!
Mine doesn't have a card. Now we just picked Toad about. Wait. I'm scared.
Break it carefully.
How am I gonna break this? Oh! Look how I did this.
Nice.
Nice one. Wait, how do I break the...
Thank you. Yeah. Like this one.
Can you do it for me right now? Please don't break the legs, please. Count. He's getting out. Hooray. Nice one. Oh. Oh! Wait. Did you got his thing? I was scared. If you got it.
Ta-da!
Let's break this part. You know, I'm gonna eat him last. Wait, I'm gonna break this part.
What's written?
Can
Kinopio?
Pinocchio. Okay, can you remove this so I can eat that too?
Uh-oh!
Oh no.
I broke one of his leg.
What happened to his leg? Oh. Wait. I'm gonna eat his leg. Wait. I ate it. No. I need it last.
Ano ba to? Sticker ba to? What?
Wait.
I don't know if it's a sticker or... Yes, chocolate.
You can put in your old tumbler.
Yun lang. Bye!
Bye.